Hi guys, today we're learning about how to create the AB variant test using the split. Split is the best extension tool, the now newly available on the Webflow marketplace. First we need to create the two heading title on here. I duplicate the first title and I do some little changes on there, but you can use the best two titles. And on here I'm going to test in what is the best title for the contact us, right? First I need to do on the duplicate that and doing the two variation on there, and then we need to go to the withsplit.com and we need to sign up or the sign in. When I sign in, we need to connect our site using the sites on the left side dashboard, and here we can connect the site on the our workspace. And when it's connected, you can use that on the free for the test. I already purchased the plan, and on here we can test on the something on the AB variant. Initially on today I testing on the AB test. This is help you to also the guideline for the how to create the AB test using the split. And first I use the drop down and the select the type. On the test type is the AB test, and I given the name for the test, headline test. On hero I given the test ID, hero headline test. Yep. And I use it's on the home page in my landing page, and I'm not using the frameworks on here. I using the custom non-HTML code. And what are you testing? We are testing on the heading, and I create the test on here. After create the test, we are moving to this setup dashboard, and I create the goal. I using the goal as the click on the button. That's why I use the type of the click. There's another variation, the page visit, scroll depth, and the time of the page. I use the click goal, and I given the button the contact us as a ID, and contact us is the goal name. I save it as a primary goal, and I save that on here, and I can start the test on here. That's fine. I start the test, but I'm not connected any variable. You see on the right side, it's not connected with any variable. But on the when I move into the again on the designer view, we can click on the marketplace, and when we already our site is already connected with the dashboard on that initial step, we can launch the app on here. App is also appear on the here as a connected app. When I launch the app, it is get a few seconds and check in the connection, and it is connected. Then I move into the test. Here also you can create the sum test on the right side plus mark, and here I already used that on the dashboard. That's why the test is appear as the headline test on hero. Then I need to go to the connect, and I create two title on here. I select the first title, and I click on the heading test on hero, and select the test on that, and my control variable on this one, I click on this button in the connect as a. Then it is connected to the variable, and then I move to the second one, and I hit it's on the variant P. Okay, now both are connected. When we move into the dashboard and check, you see on the green color it's connected with the dashboard. That's mean we are good to move forward. And then we need to select the button. It is my goal. I click on the reconnect button on here. Okay, now it's also connected. It's connected with the attribute. Everything is going well. Then I publish the site live. Here's the things appear. I use in the my setup is showing I'm using the 50-50 split test. That's mean on the 50% of user they get the one title, other 50% is get the other title. We are find the what is the best one for the our website. After the few weeks the result is appear on here, what is the significant and what is the best title, and we can use that on the future as our title. That's get more conversion and the more visitors to contact our business. Thank you.